Hi everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel, and in this quick tutorial I will show you how to record audio in Audacity and make it sound like a pro even if you are just starting out. So without any further ado, let's jump right into it. So first, if you have not already downloaded and installed Audacity from this platform or this URL, is free and open source and works on Windows, Macs and Linux. So you just need to download it from that place. I already downloaded it, so if I search for Audacity here, you can see. So once you download in your computer or your PC, open the Audacity and make sure your microphone is connected actually. So now at the top, check the device toolbar. Here you can see this is the device toolbar. So make sure your mic is selected. So here you just need to see that your mic is selected. So just select your host, and here you can see our mic is selected. So recording device also selected. So you just need to select all these things and check this out, and then you just need to go further. So set the recording channels to mono if you are using on mic. So here you can see this is the options. So recording channels, you can select the mono recording channels, and if you are using on mic, and next set the project rate at the bottom left for 44,100 hertz is standard. So I'll go over here and I'll make it stereo. Now test your levels, speak into the mic and watch the meter. So let's start this one and speak in here and check your mic is working or not. So you want your levels to peak around -12 dB to -6 dB, not too quiet, not clipping. When you are ready, click the big red button. Here you can see we already clicked this big red button, or you can go with Shift+R with your keyboard. And when you are start speaking, when you are done, you just need to click on stop. So you can click this one, similarly the yellow square icon. So you can click this one, just click this one, and it already been stopped. So we already recorded our audio. So if I play this one, let's say button, or you can go with, you can see our voice is button, or you can go with Shift+R. So I'm going to pause this one. Now we are going to do some basic editing. Let's clean it up. Select any dead air or mistake with your mouse and press delete to cut them out. Next, remove background music. Let's highlight a few seconds or silence in your track. We just need to go to the effect. So here you can see this is the effect plan, and then you just need to go to the compressor. So let's find it out, where is the compressor. So here you can see noise removal. So you can click these noise reduction options. You can also add compression after effect compressor to balance the loud and soft parts, and normalize to boost the volume evenly. Once you are happy with your audio, just go to the file and export. Just click over here and then export audio. Just click this one, and from that place you can export to the computer as it you want. Choose your file name and save it where you want. Congrats, you just record audio that sound pro level. Thanks for watching. I will catch you in the next video with an interesting topic again.